Are you looking for a stock to trade that has uber high volatility? Oh my gosh, do I have one for you. DNUT stock. It makes me laugh just saying the ticker. DNUT is Krispy Kreme stock. Now, in full transparency, I don't trade this particular stock, but I was taking a look at some high volatility stocks earlier today. Krispy Kreme is kind of like a meme stock, and the volatility is like literally 500% on up, on up, on up. And here's what that means to you guys. When you sell options, particularly when you sell options with high implied volatility, what that means is this. That means it has a lot of swing. And when it has a lot of swing, the option premiums are fat. You get paid a lot for the risk that you're taking. You know why? Because there's kind of suckers out there that are like, oh my gosh, 35 bucks, I can buy a call. I think this stock is gonna go to the moon. And they wanna invest $35 and they wanna turn their $35 into $3,500, right? They wanna like 10x or 100x their investment, but those people are gamblers. What I'm doing is I'm selling that contract to them and I'm collecting the premium on that. Oh my gosh. So check it out. Now, Krispy Kreme closed about $3.71 on Tuesday. You can sell a $3.50 put and get paid like 35 or 40 bucks. Now, it doesn't sound like a lot, but first of all, listen to this. A $3.50 put, you only have to commit $350. So it's a very, very, very low cost stock, and it's not that much capital to put up in order to make the trade. And if you calculate the annualized rate of return, first of all, if you're making $35 and you're putting up $350, you're making literally 10% on your money for 3 days, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And because it has a lot of volatility, there's a lot of opportunity where if it goes down a lot, you can likely sell a covered call and wait until that pop back up, because high volatility says it has big swings, right? Or you can sell another put if it goes lower, or you can buy more shares and average your cost down. Again, this is not a high dollar stock. It probably is not good for one of your core holdings, but it might be good for somebody that has a small account, or you want to start trading, or you want to pour a little gasoline on your investment account to light it on fire. This might be the stock for you. And talking about implied volatility and the swing that a stock can have, in fact, Tuesday alone, the stock was up literally like 13%. So again, I'm not recommending this particular stock, but what I am saying is when you sell options, when you choose stocks that have high implied volatility, you're getting paid more for the risk that you're taking, because on the other side of the trade are people that are gambling with their money, and they're directionally thinking that the stock is going to go up a lot or down a lot, but they have to be right about the direction and the time frame. Now again, this is a meme stock, so it's not necessarily a stock that you want to put a lot of money into, but it is a stock that you can make a lot of coin with. So anyway, I thought it was interesting and I thought I would share it with you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I have literally been putting up a video each and every single day for like 3 months or something now. I'm committed to talking all about selling puts, selling covered calls, walking through different tickers just like this one. Let me know in the comments, what stocks do you want to see me do a video on? What stocks are you trading and what do you want to learn? And thanks for watching.